Today, we're making a salad that won't feel like a punishment. Salads usually are the most fibrous meal, which is immensely healthy for you. But if you're still stuck making the most boring basic salad and then hating it, that sounds like a you problem. Here are some salad recipes on the interesting side to add some joy to your daily life. First, we have Thai peanut salad. It has the right amount of texture from the greens, paneer and peanut for some substance, and a peanut butter dressing. Next, there is Burmese lettuce salad. The tangy tamarind blends so well with the lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and peanuts. You would definitely add it to the clean bowl club. Last but not the least, poha salad. Indian homes love poha, and this recipe is just another way to make poha even more delicious. And the best part is all these salads were done and dusted under 5 minutes. And to find more such recipes, check out DeliShop with 350 plus recipes for all your needs.